in Worthington, Minnesota. Today I'm going to take you on a brief tour of one of our series called the Kinsgbrook. This floor plan is one of 11 floor plans that we have in this series. So I wanted to start on the exterior of the home today for two reasons. For the first reason being, the first thing you see when you enter a home is the exterior, so you want your home to have a little bit of curb appeal. At Highland Manufacturing, we have a few options, such as bump outs, like you see here, and recessed entries, like this one here, to give your home a little more dimension and curb appeal. This home actually comes standard with this recessed entry, so you don't have to option that in. It already comes with curb appeal. Our shingles are 30-year architectural shingles. Our windows on a mod are low E.26 colonial grid windows. If this were a HUD home, they would be colonial grid .34 windows. Our siding is just a standard vinyl siding here. You can upgrade it to a heavy-duty vinyl siding, an LP siding, which is a wood siding that's basically coated so it's moisture resistant, and then it's painted. And we also have a cedar siding as well. Our insulation in the roof is R50. Our insulation in the walls is R21. At Highland Manufacturing, we tend to have a heavier roof load when we build our homes, simply because we build for mainly northern regions. Our exterior doors are residential 36-inch exterior doors. So if you ever need to replace it, you don't have to come back to try and look for the exact same door. You can go to Menards and find one that fits just fine. So now that I've shown you a little bit of the exterior and gone over some construction with you, let's go inside and check it out. So right away when you walk in, you see this great open concept feel. You got your dining room, your kitchen, living room, and it's all nice and open. But the great thing about Kinsgbrook is we have several different kinds of floor plans. So if the open feel's not something that you're into and you want something a little more closed off, we have that. The next thing that you're probably going to notice when you walk into this home is this gorgeous kitchen. Each Kinsgbrook series comes with its own layout of the kitchen. They come with different islands, so none of the islands are all identical. There's several different options that you can choose from. This island is multifunctional. We have a nice little sit-under area right here. So if you have guests and you need extra sitting area, or if you have little ones like your grandkids or your own babies who like to help you make cookies or breakfast in the morning, they can sit there and help you. Another great feature with this island is it has nice cubbies on both sides for great storage. You can put your cookbooks, you can put decorations, or the kids' toys when they're bothering you. The toys are right there in their reach. We also have a bank of drawers. We have drawer over door on this side. Then again, you have the cubbies over here. So the standard appliances in the Kinsgbrook are going to be the 25 cubic foot reefer, the 30-inch gas stove. You can option in the dishwasher and the microwave. If you prefer your microwave to be in a cabinet, you can also put it in a cabinet in the floor plan. The cabinet color we have in here is our crescent white, and we paired that with the antique marula pine countertop. The countertops come standard with this nice crescent edge, which is a great standard feature, especially again if you have little ones running around at home. If they bump their head on this, it's not going to hurt as much as this one right here. This is our butcher block island. This is an option, which it's a very gorgeous option to have in your home. It does make your island look more like a butcher block island. And again, it's the antique marula pine with the crescent white. Another awesome feature with the Kinsgbrook series is that it comes standard with cityscape overheads and crown molding. So it gives your kitchen a very nice, elegant look. So this is the Highland Manufacturing DECOR board. This is just an example or samples of the other options for colors for exterior and interior that you can choose from. So real quick, we'll just go over some other optional colors. These cabinet colors, Mountain Alder and Creston Oak, are standard in the Kinsgbrook series. We also have a Ozark Shadow, which is a painted gray cabinet. We also have the Crescent White, which is a painted white cabinet like you've seen in the kitchen. So this is our guest bath, and it comes standard with a 60-inch fiberglass tub shower. You could also option in a 60-inch agile shower in here if you needed to have a walk-in shower and not a tub, whatever is more convenient for you. So in this floor plan, this vanity will come with full height doors. This would normally be another cabinet door, but we've optioned in a bank of drawers here. So if you're someone who prefers to store their stuff in drawers, absolutely, we can option that in for you. This also comes standard with a linen in it, which is also great because it has great storage. This is one of our guest bedrooms. In this floor plan, we have 2 guest bedrooms. The other one is identical to this, so I'll just take you in this one real quick. We just have a standard window and a nice little closet in here with 1 shelf. Nothing real crazy, but it's a good size for a guest bedroom. So standard in the Kinsgbrook in this floor plan, we would normally have a 60-inch agile walk-in shower, but we've optioned in our 4x6 agile shower, which is quite large. This is our desert stone agile. We also have it in a white Calcutta, which is gorgeous. And we can also do it in a ceramic tile. But of course, if you're a tub person like me and not much of a shower person, we also have optional tubs that you can place in these bathrooms instead of showers. Or if you live with your husband who likes showers and not baths, then he can have his shower and you can fit the tub in here, so it works for both of you. Now on to my favorite part of the home. If you're a person who loves large master closets, you're gonna love this. Check out the size of this master closet. Isn't it crazy? It's gonna come standard with this shoe rack, and it's gonna come standard with 1 row of shelves all the way around. You can option in more shoe racks, or you can option in more shelves. This is our utility in this floor plan. This is one of my favorite utilities out of the floor plans because it comes with this nice cabinetry in here, so it's great storage. You have a sink that comes standard. You're also going to get these standard in this floor plan for overhead over the washer and dryer, along with the cabinetry you've seen earlier. So this is a hall tree. This one is optioned in here. In this space, you could also option in some more base and overhead, or you could just leave it open. So this compartment right here would normally house our standard high efficiency furnace and 40-gallon electric water heater. However, we removed them to be placed in the basement because this is a mod home and it goes on a basement. And it left us with nice storage. Put shelf in here, you can put several shelves in here, whatever you'd like to do with the space. As you walk through the home today, I'm sure you found some things that you loved, maybe some things that you hated, or maybe some things that you would have changed. Which is fine, because at Highland Manufacturing we have tons of options for you to select to make this house your home. Thanks for joining me on the tour of our Kinsgbrook series.